I am now going to show you a video of the structures of the hand. This is a right hand, and I'm trying to show you in the video that it's being held in the anatomical position. Let's cover the carpal bones first. These are all collectively called the carpal bones. There are two rows of four. Two rows of four. Here are, should say, the first carpals in the first row, right here, 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 and here. This bone is the scaphoid, also known as the navicular bone. Scaphoid. The next bone here is the lunate. Lunate. This next bone is the triquetrum. And there's a small rounded bone on top of it called the pisiform. On your own hand, you can see the bony protrusion of the pisiform. So again, it's the right hand, and this bump right there is from the pisiform. Again, first row of four, the proximal row. 1, scaphoid. 2, lunate. 3, triquetrum, and on top of it is the pisiform. Now the next row of four, we have this one, trapezium. Then we have the next one, trapezoid. It's this one. Then we have this one called the capitate. And then the last one here is the hamate. Again, trapezium. I remember that because trapezium is by the thumb. Then we have trapezoid, capitate, hamate. There's a learning mnemonic that you can use. Sally for scaphoid, left for lunate, the triquetrum, party, pisiform, to, trapezium, take, trapezoid, Kathy, capitate, home, hamate. A not so G-rated learning mnemonic would be some levers try positions that they can't handle. You pick which one you like best. The next set of bones that I want to cover are called your metacarpals. You have 5 metacarpals per hand. They are numbered 1 through 5. So this is digit 1. Your thumb is digit 1. So this would be metacarpal number 1, metacarpal number 2, metacarpal number 3, metacarpal number 4, and then lastly, metacarpal number 5. Your pinky digit is digit number 5. The next set of bones are all of these distal bones I'm going to cover now. They are more distal to the metacarpals. These individual bones, singular, is a phalanx. So here is a phalanx, here is a phalanx, here is a phalanx. All of them together are called phalanges. Notice that digit number 1 only has 2 phalanges. It has a proximal and a distal. Digits 2 through 5 have 3 phalanges. 3. They have a proximal. There's a middle. And then there's a distal. You might be required to know these very specifically. For example, name this bone. You will likely need to write down or identify it as the proximal phalanx of digit number 2. Your instructor will tell you if you need to be that picky in your response. Right here, if this bone were tagged, you would say distal phalanx of digit number 4.